What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Nick from the Get This Nick channel. What did you guys think of that little montage I put together? I actually just picked up the new iPhone 15. So what you saw there was me just kind of messing around with the new camera, the new features, and trying to get the hang of it. And obviously as time goes on, I'll get a little bit better with it, but we just got the LTC all washed up. She is shining. And we're going to take her for a little cruise. It's a nice day out. And I figured why not get behind the wheel for another point of view video. Haven't done one in a while. The first two, I think I've done two so far, and the first two did pretty well. A lot of you guys seem to like them. So in a second here, we're going to get behind the wheel and go for a little ride. But I just wanted to, we got the sun shining, we got the car washed up, so I just wanted to give you guys a little look at her, you know what I mean? Knowing Chicago weather, it'll be raining or snowing within the next 2 days, so I'm just I'm enjoying the Lincoln while I can, while it's all cleaned up. All right, so we are inside the Lincoln now, and yeah, we still got her. She is still bone stock. I've been doing my little research, like you guys know, on exhaust and 373 gears and all that, but for now, this is a completely stock 2004 Lincoln Town Car, and we're just kind of cruising her today. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we are, about 45, 50 miles per hour, cruising along in the Lincoln Town Car. As you can see, if you guys have been following this channel for any sort of time, you know this area here in the south suburbs is one of my favorite areas to cruise at in Chicago. Peaceful, quiet, nice views for what we have out here in the Midwest. You guys know just how quiet, you guys have heard me talk about it time and time again, how quiet these Lincoln Town Cars are. You might be hearing a little bit of wind noise. It is pretty windy out today, but besides that, they just float down the road. A big boat. And if you guys are looking, we're currently a little bit over 38,000 miles and 16.9 miles per gallon right now. That's a little bit down from when I did that video I did for you guys on that Berryman's B12. I've been idling a lot more with the car, as well as I've been driving her with a little bit of a heavier foot lately. So that is why you see that miles per gallon kind of drop. You guys know I've been talking about modifying this car, and because of that, I've kind of been driving her a little bit, you know, like I said, with a heavier foot than I normally do, because I really am truly trying to see how this car is when it's bone stock and how it reacts and how it drives, and compared to once I start messing around and doing some work to it. So that is the reasoning for that. And I did have a few of you guys message me regarding that Berryman's B12. You guys purchased it after watching my video on it. And a lot of you guys said the same thing, that you got better idling, smoother idling, as well as typically what I was seeing is about 2 miles per gallon more. Averaging 2 miles per gallon more, so it helps. It always helps. Get a little run here for you. Just like that, 55 miles per hour, cruising. The only thing that I wish this car had was an RPM gauge, because I'd like to see where it's at when you're at, you know, these higher speeds, 55 plus, you know, 60, 70. Because I mean, although you're at 55 miles per hour, you step on the gas on one of these things and I mean, just like that, she gets up and goes. I mean, and like I said, this is a stock Lincoln Town car, and it's got a little bit of pep to it. And that's the one good thing about having a car with like a V8 like this, is it just always feels like it has more to give. It never feels like you're really tapping it out with the power that's bouncing off a red line, or that you're straining the engine. It'll cruise all day at this speed, and then if you need to step on it, get around someone or something, or whatever the case may be, you could easily tap into that power. But yeah, that's going to conclude the video. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick one, just a quick point of view drive, give you an update. We got the new iPhone, so I wanted to play around with that, get some shots for you guys of the Lincoln, and that's going to conclude it. Just a simple video. Nothing crazy today. But as always, if you guys are enjoying the Lincoln Town Car content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, we will see you guys on the next video. Peace!